This is a dog door for a sliding glass door made by MaxSeal. I'm very happy with it. My dog enjoys it too. He's going to give you a demonstration. Charlie, go through. Go on out. Out. Come on. Let's go. Out. Out. There he goes. It's in the glass, so you have full access to the slider. It slides all the way open. Some don't do that. This one does. It's very nice. We're very happy with it, and it has a really good locking mechanism for when you're closing it. It's very secure. Very nice. Solid. Has this pin right here, so you can't get in. Highly recommend it.